So here we have a Volkswagen Jetta, and we're going to replace this parking light right here. So you got two bulbs down here, turn signal, that's a parking light down there. So in order to get to that, you need to open the hood, and then you come on the back. You have 1, 2 ports here, and we have already removed the cover on the back of this. And the way you remove it, you simply turn this counterclockwise and it comes out. Now if you look down here, all the way down on the bottom, you have a plastic that you just simply turn counterclockwise, and then this comes out. So to remove this light bulb, you simply push it in and turn it counterclockwise to remove it, and then you line up the new light bulb, push it in and turn it clockwise to install it. Now you take this and then you reinstall it back there. It takes a little bit of trial. Keep trying in there, it's a little bit tricky. And you can look at the bulb here, make sure that's in the correct location. You see that? Simply needs to line up in the correct location and then turn it slightly to lock it in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.